Hey guys, I'm Brad DiNardo with the Intensive English program at the University of Georgia. Today I'm here to show you how to express regret in the past. This is very common in English, and it's important that you understand how to use this form. Before we get started, let's make sure we understand the meaning of the word regret. According to the Cambridge Dictionary, regret is a verb, which means to feel sorry or unhappy about something you did or were unable to do. We're going to go through some examples, and hopefully you'll understand how to express regret in the past. Let's take a look at our first example. In this example, the reality is I stayed up late last night. I overslept and I missed my bus to school. Now, this is obviously a situation that you would regret. So how do I express that regret in English? Well, take a look at the two sentences below. To express regret, I say, I should have set an alarm. The reality here is I didn't set an alarm. I regret that I didn't set an alarm. So to express that, I use the modal should plus have plus the past participle. In this case, the past participle is set. The same goes for my next sentence. I shouldn't have stayed up so late. The reality is I stayed up late. So to express this regret, I use shouldn't have plus the past participle of stay, which is stayed. This is showing that I regret what actually happened. Okay, let's take a look at another example. In this example, the reality is I was texting while driving, and I got into a car accident. Once again, this is a situation that I obviously regret. So it's important to understand how to express regret in English. So let's take a look at the two example sentences. In the first example, I say, I should have called my friend. I regret texting my friend. The reality is I didn't call my friend, I texted him. In the second example sentence, I shouldn't have been texting while driving. The reality is I was texting by driving. Take a look at this form because it's a little bit complicated. I use the modal should plus have plus the past participle of the verb to be, in this case been. And then texting is in the progressive tense, because the reality is I was texting. So to show regret, I say I shouldn't have been texting. Okay, now I want to show you guys how this form is closely related to the Unreal Conditional. And oftentimes in English, these two grammatical points are used together. If you haven't seen my video yet on the Unreal Conditional, I recommend that you watch it next. So, let's take a look here at one of my example sentences and how I can relate this to the Unreal Conditional. In this example sentence, I should have called my friend. The reality is, of course we know, I didn't call my friend, I texted him, which caused me to get in a car accident. So now I want to give you a hypothetical statement or an unreal statement based on my regret. Here, the unreal statement is, if I had called my friend, I wouldn't have gotten into a car accident. This is an unreal statement, a hypothetical statement. If you'd like some more information on the Unreal Conditional, I recommend that you watch my video. If you'd like to see some more exercises and examples on showing past regret, please visit our website at iep.uga.edu.